The first time you use a Windows 8 app, the apps formerly known as Metro apps, you will notice that there's a little bit different about those. Now I'm going to open my mail account here, so I just click on the mail tile, and you will notice that I have it connected to a Gmail account. So you're going to be seeing some of my personal mail here. So I hope you don't see anything too personal, okay? So notice first up, to see a message, I just simply click on the message, right? And so let me come down here and grab one. Search Data Center, they have some information there. Okay, so I read that. That's pretty cool. I don't want to do that anymore. Notice I could just come up here and click on the trash can and delete that, right? And so that would take care of that. If I want to reply to it, I can just click here and respond to that and choose reply, reply all, or forward to someone. And if I hit reply, it populates the from address and it starts to do some things. And I decide I don't want to send it, just click on the X, and then I can delete the draft. Now notice in all of these, the idea with the Windows 8 app is that it takes up the entire screen real estate. So that if you're looking at this, say on a phone, a small tablet, a full-size slate, or even a large, 25-inch monitor, you're going to use the entire screen real estate to help you see this. It's also minimalistic in design in that you only see the buttons you need to absolutely work with what you're doing at the time. I want to show you something here. If I click on the plus sign to create a new message, I can put an email address in here, or notice I can click on the plus sign and add people from my contacts list. And this will actually go out there and open your People Windows 8 app and show you all your contacts. And then to actually type a message, notice I can put a CC, I can click on Show More, do a blind copy, and then I can set priorities on how this is sent. To add a subject, I just click here and type test message. There's my subject. And then to type into the body, this is my test message. And I'm just typing into the body of my email, right? And this is a signature that they'll put on, and I can just take that off. But notice anytime I double click or anytime I select any text, okay, this pops up down here because it knows there's some functionality that I need. And I want to underline that. So I just click on underline, and there it is. Notice I can change the color, right? I can change the text color of that if I would like, and I can make it this nice green color. Lots of things you can do, and you will notice in Metro apps, when you do certain things, functionalities will pop in, and they're there as you need them. Or I can right click at any time and see most all the options that are available to me on these Windows 8 / Metro apps, and it'll always show up either down here at the bottom or up at the top or both. All right. And so then I can say, you know what, I don't want to send this. I will just delete the draft, okay? Now, once I've got a Windows 8 app open, how do I close it? I don't see a close or anything, and if I right click, am I getting a close? I don't see that. Notice I can mark this one unread. I can move it somewhere. I can pin it to start menu. It's already there. I can sync. How do I close this thing? Well, go up to the top. Notice as I slowly slide the cursor up, it turns into a hand. Left click, drag it down to the bottom, let it go, and I've closed the app. Now we can run multiple Windows 8 apps at once. We'll get into all that later. But for now, I just wanted you to see, to get into an app, and this works with any of these Metro or Windows 8 apps. For example, if I go into my calendar, notice it takes up the entire screen, shows me what I've got. I can go forward. I can go backwards, and when I'm ready to close, I can just simply go up here, grab the hand, pull it down, drop it, and it takes me right back out to the start menu. So that's how to open, work with, and close Windows 8 apps.